Hey everyone, Sandy here, and today I have a kindergarten crate haul. This is my second one I got. I was so pleased with the first one. I hope you check out that video. I'm going to show you, I have gone through this already. I'm going to show you the big old bag that came in it. And it is themed around bats, so hang out with a good book. So it's got a pocket right here, and then there's the inside with the big long handles. So just a nice bag. I am a gal that cannot have enough bags. And if I get a bag and I don't want it, they're always nice gifts for people as well. So let's open this puppy up. And I need to move my computer. My little computer here. And this, and we will get that out of the way so I can move this over to the side, and I'll just pull things out one at a time and show you. So bat themed, I didn't know what this was. It's not actually in any of the things that they gave us, but like the lesson stuff, but there's just cute little bats. So I will find some sort of little project to do with the kids. Probably counter, maybe that could be used for some of the countings. I don't know. All right, so it comes with a bunch of fun paperwork. Tells you what's inside. Even gives you a sneak peek of next week's, which is awesome. Because then I can figure out if I have a lesson already done in that particular thing. So this is a craft that the kids can do, and they include the things for that. So this is the bats craft. And for this one, here I'll show you, they even put in the paper plates, because then what the kids can do is they can keep the plates plain. They could paint them if they want, or they supplied this yellow chalk, and they could cover the chalk with yellow. And then, I want to say, where are they? Here they are. So here are copies of, I don't even have to make copies because they've got the bat stuff right here. However, the children, my children are 3. They're not great at all with scissors yet. So this stuff would actually all have to be pre-cut if we were going to use them. So I'll have to see if we're going to do that, or if I might just make a copy of some bats and they can just glue it on rather than trying to assemble. Some things can be, when they're little like this, just be a little difficult for them, but they can most certainly do this part of the craft. So there's that, and then there's a book response sheet, and it looks just like this. Let me see if there's the original in here. It is in here somewhere, but I just don't know where. And so they can color a picture up here, and then it says if I were a bat at night, I would, and then they can tell me. Not sure if I'll use that or not. That's going to just be one of those fillers. And I will show you, though, the book is right here, and Bats at the Library. And it's not too long, so it should be okay to read for them. So I will definitely read that. So hence the reason with the moon, working on a moon, and then the bats. It's all pretty much based on the story that they give you. And then they also have these 10 frame pieces. And, oh, there's that response sheet right there. So I can make copies of that. And then I know the 10 frame. Here we go. So then there is the 10 frames that you can use. So I would be like laminating those. So you can see on here there are books. And there is a whole big bag of these cute books. Those are like library books. It's just amazing. These do not have numbers on them. So I can choose to put numbers on them, like 1 through 10 I could do, and then the rest could be plain. So it could be a matching game as well as just a counting game. So just so many different things that you can do with that. So there's that part of it. Another thing you could do, oh wait, that's not with that. Let me show you this part too now. I'm kind of bouncing around, but I'm like bringing things out as we go. Also, they even supplied googly eyes for putting on the bats if you choose. This is a cute little board, and it's got the alphabet on it, and I just love how it matches. It's just wonderful. And they also supplied the alphabets, and it's in a lowercase. I have a larger version of this. These are like maybe about 1 inch. I have another one that's about, they're 2 or 3 inches big, and it's the big and the little in the same type of foam stuff, but these are magnetic. So I could even, if I found a large enough pan, even have this on like a cake sheet or something, and then these might even stick to it. But these are for matching the alphabet. So I just think that's wonderful. And even if my children, they don't know, by looking, they're not going to know that's an A, most of them. But they can definitely match. They are very good matchers. So they can definitely find the one that looks like that and do it. So that is just so much fun. And then they supply stickers every month. And so these are pumpkin stickers, 75 of them. So we can just use these in whatever project we're going to use. And then this little die. And this also could be used with that 10 frame game as well. They could just like, you know, roll it and say 3, and then have to just put 3 books on the 10 frame, because I want to see if there's a blank one here. Nope, there's not a blank one, but still you can turn anything into a game by rolling the die. So that is that. So that's everything that's in there. So it's just so much stuff that we can do throughout the week. And you know, even these could even turn, I could just turn around and use, even though we have these at the daycare too, but I could turn around and use these just for a pumpkin craft too, if I wasn't going to do the bat craft. So I'm thinking there's really not enough of these for 21 children, but whatever day I would do something, you know, they could even just glue one of those on there. So, but they're just, I just think they're so cute. Look at them. They're just adorable little bats. They're so, like, realistic. They're just the neatest little thing. So, anyway, maybe they'll, ooh, I'm thinking this is going to end up in a sensory jar. That's probably where those are going to end up. Thanks for working that out with me. I'm sure some of you were shouting it at me. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing of the kindergarten crates. I will put their link below. Hopefully I'll remember. Sometimes I'm really bad at remembering that stuff, but you can always look it up because it is called Kindergarten Crates. So, yeah, I'll try and get that link down below for you. Please give a thumbs up if you liked watching this today, and I hope you will tune in. If you're just here for this particular haul, you'll tune in again next month when I do my next haul, because I do plan on continuing getting these for at least this full year of school and seeing how it goes. Have a great day.